What is the SpaceX company preparing? SpaceX is preparing to launch 21 Starlink satellites aboard its Falcon 9 rocket from Cape Canaveral, marking another significant step in its mission to provide global internet coverage. The launch is scheduled as part of SpaceX's ongoing efforts to expand the Starlink constellation, which aims to offer high-speed, low-latency broadband to underserved and remote areas around the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and feel free to share this video with your friends. See you in the next one. 2. The Falcon 9 rocket, known for its reliability and reusability, will carry these satellites into low Earth orbit, where they will join thousands of others already in operation. This launch is part of a series of missions planned by SpaceX to continue building out the Starlink network, which has grown rapidly since its inception. 3. Each of these 21 satellites is equipped with advanced technology to enhance network performance and capacity, ensuring that more users can connect to the internet with faster speeds and better service quality. This is especially crucial as demand for internet access continues to rise, particularly in areas where traditional broadband infrastructure is lacking or non-existent. The successful deployment of these satellites will bring SpaceX closer to its goal of providing global internet coverage, potentially revolutionizing how people access the internet, especially in hard-to-reach regions. The mission also underscores SpaceX's growing role in space exploration and commercial spaceflight, demonstrating its ability to consistently deliver and innovate in the aerospace industry. 5. As SpaceX continues to launch Starlink satellites, the company is not only transforming the internet landscape, but also solidifying its position as a leader in space technology. This launch from Cape Canaveral is yet another milestone in their ambitious plan to change the way the world connects.